Hi friends, I am Dr. Viren from Unique Shiksha. I welcome you all in IAS Core Learning video series. This series is an unique initiative by Unique Shiksha which is based on UPSC question based learning. So it is very helpful in cracking the difficult examination called IAS. The learning outcomes of this series include learning through previous year UPSC questions. It creates understanding of UPSC demands, which is very helpful in handling the question in prelims and mains examination. The another important outcome is it facilitates theme-based practice and it helps in preparing better for UPSC challenge. Friends, today we will discuss a question from Indus Valley Civilization. It is one of the oldest civilization in the world. It emerged around the Indus Valley. It is also called Harappan civilization as Harappa was the first town excavated. It is also called as Chalcolithic civilization because its people made sharp-edged stone tools and weapons. The Harappan people were the first to use bronze metal, so this civilization is also called the Bronze Civilization. So just be with us for a few minutes and you will learn a lot. Friends, let's have a look on the UPSC questions from 2011 to 20 from Indus Valley Civilization. You can see that there are 5 questions. 4 of them have been asked in prelims examination and 1 of them has been in mains examination. So just come with us for a few minutes. You will learn a lot. The question is, which one of the following is not a Harappan site? Chahudaro, Kot Diji, Sohagara and Desalpur. Friends, we will discuss each option one by one. Chahudaro. Chahudaro is situated on Indus River in Sindh province of Pakistan. So you can see the location of Chahudaro in the present video. It was excavated in 1931 by N.G. Majumdar. There are some artifacts which were excavated from Chahudaro. These include carts with seated driver. You can see in the picture that driver is on the cart. Next was a famous beads factory was there in Chahudaro. Along with that, a Bengal factory was also excavated from the site and a small pot, it is claimed to be a ink pot, was also excavated. There was evidence of copper and bronze tools as well. So it has been concluded that these people were aware about the copper and bronze tools. So we have seen that Chahudaro is a very important Indus Valley site. The second answer choice is Kot Diji. It is a place situated on Indus River in Sindh province of Pakistan. You can see the location of Kot Diji in the map. This was excavated by Fazal Ahmad in 1953. There were many artifacts which were excavated from this site. These included a wheel-made painted pottery. There was also traces of a defensive wall around the town. It was an unique feature of almost all the towns of Indus Valley civilization that they used to build a defensive wall around their towns. Also, there were evidences of metaglary and artistic work in Côte d'Ivoire. 5 figurines of mother goddess were also excavated from the site. This mother goddess is claimed to be the most worshipped goddess in Indus Valley civilization. So we can see that Côte d'Ivoire is also an Indus Valley civilization site. Friends, the third answer choice is Sogra, which is not an Harappan site. Sogra is a village situated on the bank of Rapti river in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. A copper plate inscription was excavated, as you can see in the picture. This inscription belonged to Mauryan period. It is written in Prakrit language in Brahmi script. It is claimed to be one of the edicts of Asoka. So friends, Sogra is not an Indus Valley civilization site, but a site where one of the inscription of Ashoka was excavated. The fourth answer choice is Desalpur. Desalpur is a place which is situated in Kutch district of Gujarat. You can trace the location of Desalpur in the map indicated by the blue arrow. So friends, it is again an IVC site which was excavated in 1963. It's a minor IVC settlement. This site is famous for its proportionately large fortification. We have earlier discussed that IVC people used to make wall around their towns. So in Desalpur, the fortification is proportionately larger than when it is compared with other Indus Valley sites. So friends, again Desalpur, it is an Indus Valley site. Friends, now you can try this question by yourself. Which one of the following is not an Harappan site? A. Chahudado, B. Côte d'Ivoire, C. Sogra, and D. Desalpur. So far we have discussed that Chahudado, Côte d'Ivoire and Desalpur are Indus Valley sites, but Sogra is not, which is a village where one of the inscription of Ashoka was found. Friends, let's try a practice question now. Which one of the following statements are correct? First, evidence of a beads factory was found at Chahudado. Yes, we have already discussed that a beads factory was there in Chahudado. Second, traces of a defensive wall was found at Côte d'Ivoire. Yes, we have already discussed that there was a defensive wall around the Côte d'Ivoire. Third is, Sogra is a site where one of the edicts of King Ashoka was found. So it is also a correct statement. We have discussed that a copper plate inscription was found in Sogra village. So it is also a correct statement. Now fourth is Desalpur is a minor IVC settlement in Maharashtra. So friends, we have seen that yes, Desalpur is a minor IVC settlement, but it is situated in Kutch district of Gujarat, not in Maharashtra. So this statement is incorrect. So now you can choose your correct answer. So the correct answer is statement first, second and third are correct and the fourth statement is wrong. So our answer will be C. Friends, in Corona days, don't compromise with your study. You can join our IAS Live Foundation course for interactive classes with doubt resolution session. We got more than 100 practice tests to make you competitive in this examination. Friends, you can explore more with 7-day free trial. You can visit uniqueshiksha.com for online foundation course to have access live classes, personal mentoring, practice test, etc. Friends, please subscribe our channel, like, share and comment our videos. Stay on course to realize your IAS goals. Thank you very much for watching our video.